How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Android. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to just go with your settings. Under your settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find date and time option. So search for date and time. And once you've searched for it, make sure that you've selected the automatic time name. Make sure that you've set the time automatically. Once you've set that time automatically, then your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next step, which is you need to restart your Android phone. So press and hold on to that power button and you will get the restart option. So tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need simply go with your Wi-Fi, tap on more Wi-Fi settings, and then select the Wi-Fi that you're using right now. Go with settings, which is on the right side, and you will have an option to forget or disconnect. So tap on forget, remove the Wi-Fi, and then again retype your password, and your problem might be fixed. Now, if that still doesn't, then you need to just contact your customer care or your service provider and ask them about the issue. So that's how you can fix your Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.